Are you customizing it?
Teku-ising.
I'm gonna teach you to Teku-ize your desktop. So first, go to the links below and I'll walk you through which one you need first. So the first link we're gonna go to is Rainmeter. Rainmeter is a desktop customizer. So download Rainmeter. I have the beta, but the final release is just fine. Either one works for this, so do either one. Next is going to be this GitHub link with Fountain of Colors. This is going to allow you to be able to have the bars go up and down. And so you just want to click this link, the first one, and you want to save it to wherever you want to save it. So I already have it saved. And then you want to minimize all of that. Go to here. This is where I have it saved. I'm going to double click it. It's going to install. Bada bing, you hit the install. And I'm gonna hit cancel because I already have it. And then we're just gonna, well, that's about it basically. You have the background Teku background that is going to be linked also below. It was done by me and another user named Massmore. So he helped do the background. I gave him some assets such as the Teku logos, and we just made some magic. So personalize, this is the easiest stuff now. Nothing too difficult, set for monitor 1 for me, and then exit out. And so I have this. So you may have noticed that this wasn't exactly the first thing that you saw. That's okay. Rainmeter has this stuff. I'm gonna set it up here. Make sure you know how to do this. So it has all this other stuff. System, clock, welcome. Don't worry about that too much. It doesn't mean anything. That's their default skin for you. So you just go to unload skin. Unload skin. Unload skin. Unload skin. Done. Done. This one should have opened just like this once you double click that file, after you've downloaded Rainmeter, of course. And so then you just adjust all of these settings, open up iTunes or any other sound device. Any sound device will create this, because in general you'll see that you have your audio device being the speakers for me at the moment in my headphones. And you can change the visualizer height. Mine is at 462. If you have a different computer resolution, it might be different. Bar width I have at 46 pixels. Bar gap at 69 pixels. Nice. Bar count 9, because there's only 9 bars. Sensitivity 30. This can be kind of adjusted however you like it. Smoothing level, I have it at 2. And so I will play for you a Hot Wheels song, if I could get one up. And as you can see, and that is how you do it basically. And if you ever just want to open that up again, you just click the little bars that you see, and that's it. I mean, you can change your color of the bars, and that's literally it. It's that simple. So I'm going to link all of Massmore's stuff down below. He has a SoundCloud he'd like you to subscribe to, and he also has an Instagram. So thank you to him. He did this cool background. We did it together. Everything's cool. I hope to see you in the next one.